Sanmonan guys, Sanmonan. Hope you are all doing so well. Hope you are all doing so well. We are doing a recap on Ingane Zestembu. We see Usne having lunch with Usbindi Umpumelelo. They are having a brother and sister lunch and they are sitting out there talking, and Umpumelelo is asking Ukbana njani kaloku uSne athanda ukubana umseleko ahlala akhuthulelwe yi-high nkosi yami. Apparently uSne called utatu Musamseleko ukubana he is a joke. So Umpumelelo uyambuza ukuthi njani kaloku ufuna ukubana likhehla leli liphinde libuyele kwakhona esibhedlela. Uyambuza ukuthi why did you call ubaba ijoke? So uSne uyasho ukuthi sometimes nje kuye nje, like she gets very confused ukubana ubaba umseleko treats her differently as if she is not one of his kids. So I guess sometimes she gets frustrated from that, but uyasho nje ukubana hayi ubaba treats me differently from abantwana bakhe bonke. So yeah, it does get to her sometimes, but for her to go that far to call her dad a joke, that was just very disrespectful, guys. We don't talk badly about our parents in that manner. But anyway, Usne does not have a filter. Usne call a spade for a spade, but we can see them having so much fun, having lunch, and Usne is not crying. She is so happy. Her eyes are glowing. I guess Umpumelelo no Usne, they get along. Ukbana Usne, she is so transparent with ubhuti wakhe. Uzuyambuza lapho uthi hayibo kanti kwenzakalani ngendaba le besizwile ukuthi wena you are about to be getting lobola. Hayi uyasho uNtombothi hey cishe ngangena hayi. And apparently they were at the groove, and then people took pictures and took it to social media, and then Mugai ke wangala wathi hayi iyo le drama ke mna engayifuni ukubana ibe khona ebomini bami. So apparently uGuy wavese wangala sekabone izithombe zakhe noSne zipostiwe ka-social media before they started with anything. So it was about to happen, and uGuy apparently called off everything. But what do you guys think about Usne calling her dad ukubana he's a joke? Oof. So yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. We'll see you on the next recap of Uthando Nesthembu. We can see Bana things are going well for Usne noMpumelelo, and yeah, mnandi nje kuningi nje. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yes, ziyawa umtirotiro nje, uMpumelelo, uSibindi, abolwandle. So nje kumnandi ka season 3 where Ingane Zestembu, they are having so much fun, I guess. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you.